What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos, a mobile detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you guys are having a blessed day overall. Yesterday, we took a trip down to Arkansas, literally a one-day trip, and we took the kids. We were going to go hiking, but plans changed, and we ended up staying at this digging place where they dig up crystals. So that was pretty cool, and we took them through hot springs. They could see a little bit of the hot, the natural hot springs out there. But anyways, usually when I take a trip, as soon as I come back next day or then the following day, I'll usually do just like a decontamination wash, and we apply a topper. So that's what I did today. Is I did a strip wash, and then we did I didn't do a strip wash, I'm sorry. I just did a pre-rinse, and then I followed it with Fab Automotive, his Iron X deposit removal, just to kind of get whatever buildup it could have from the road. And it actually did really well. I did see some purpling. I'll probably do a video later on, but I liked it so far. It smells just like iron, a little bit less, I think. And then I applied the G on the orange bottle. It's like a 6-month sealant or whatever, and I applied that, and this is set. But really, the main thing of this video is I recently made an order for Fab when he went live. And he always does these kind of like, he goes live and he has a sale going on, or, he has a free item when you purchase an amount. So as I was watching his live, this came up. I've never used this, and I really bought it, to support Fab. His products so far have done amazing for me. I have yet to have an issue with anything. The diamond clear, the window cleaner I use, that's probably my favorite thing to use, is that glass cleaner. Aside from using his topper, literally I'm mostly buying his stuff because, one, I want to support him. He actually has supported my channel, so there's nothing better than to give back to others out there, right? So in that package, I received this as well. This is the LITHIUM G series, and I have never used this. It's a graphene infused trim restoration cubes. Permanently restores and protects all plastic trim to a factory new look. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So stick around and let me get set up, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, let's get started. So obviously it says it's good up to, it protects and restores 250 washes guaranteed. Obviously I probably won't be telling how many times I washed this car, but so far I like the packaging. The black and the gold, really cool. It stands out. If this was in a shelf, man, I think it's slick. If this was in a shelf, perfect. It'll catch your attention for sure. And it's let's see, trim cubes represent the cutting edge when it comes to restoring and protecting your plastic trim. Very cool. I kind of have a little story on there. I like it. It says true graphene formula keeps trim protected and looking new forever, or 250 washes, whichever one comes first. Super easy to use pre-impregnated applicators. Just remove from the resealable bag and wipe. So kit comes complete with sponge applicators. Oh, and it comes already with gloves. All right, never mind. I won't need these then. So very easy to use. Let's open it up. So as always, you want to do your your IPA. And let me get this really quick. And in this kit, let me open this bag up really quick and show you what comes in the kit. This comes with a sprayer. Whoops. It comes with gloves, so that's a plus. Comes with this bottle right here. Step 1, pre-wash spray. Directions as mentioned. Take some extra time to clean the surface. Pre-wash. So this is the IPA, I'm assuming, right here, the step 1. So I would say this is 8 ounces. 8 ounces of super clean. So I'm assuming this is the IPA, but I already have one, and it comes with Comes with some instructions. It comes with instructions. Literally, I like that. Step 1, step 2, step 3, apply. Perfect. All right. Open a trim cube packet, which would be this. This is what we're going to be using. Comes with 4 of those, so that's cool. And let's see, keep away from your face and eyes. Do not breathe. Use in well-ventilated area. We're outside. And the reason I'm doing it outside is I really want to see, how well, you know, as a mobile detailer, I'm always outside. So I want to make sure that if I can use a trim restore, I'm doing it outside, right? This is a 2016 Toyota Highlander, so the plastics are definitely faded by now. So I'm just gonna spray my IPA really quick. I'm using the Mother's Cmx Surface Prep. I actually have enjoyed this one, to be honest, but I don't want to make the video long for you guys, so let me just spray this really quick, and then we're gonna wipe it to remove anything. All right. And let's open this packet. Let's open one, which it's already, whoops, I dropped it behind. So let's go ahead and open this up. And as always, I suck at opening things. There we go. Got it. All right, so out of this, it's literally only the cube. Oh, wow. That has a strong odor. Oh, you definitely don't want to smell that. So let's go ahead and apply it. So you literally just rub it onto the plastic as this. And I guess that's it. I didn't read anything about buffing it off, but you could definitely see the difference, guys, from before and after, and hopefully the camera can kind of see it, but that's pretty good. That's solid. And I guess let me finish this top side right here. I do like the sponge. It literally, I love this sponge right here. I definitely love it because it gives you that to grab the edges. So, and some may say, bro, you need a respirator. Yes, you would. I recommend you a respirator for this video. I'm not using one, but wow, that's pretty nice, guys. That's pretty nice. I'm trying to see if I need to buff it off. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So we definitely need to buff it off. So we'll just give it a couple more seconds. And let's see. Once full coverage is achieved, buff dry with a clean microfiber towel. We got a clean microfiber towel. And I guess now we'll just blend it in. And that's it. Obviously, there's some areas right here that I think I may have missed. But overall, that's nice. That is really nice, guys. From a faded plastic to a new plastic. Obviously, we'll see how long it lasts, but that's I like it. I love the coverage. I love the sponge. Really, really nice. It's full of product, and I think with this kit, you're able to do up to 2 cars. So that's a plus. The kit was it's $40 for this kit, and I'll be posting a link to Fab Automotive's website. Definitely check it out. You know, I appreciate him for sending this. gift with what I ordered. More people were able to obtain this kit here, so that was pretty cool. And he's always giving back, which is something I do like. And my final thoughts on this trim restore, actually, I like it. Gives it a nice gloss, gives it a nice look. It definitely restored it from that fadeness it had first. And now we're back to new again. So far, I like it. I'll keep you guys updated on this product, and we'll definitely see how it performs in the long run. So definitely I'll follow up in a couple of months with this, see how it's doing, if it has faded. But I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. Again, God bless you guys. Thank you so much for following the channel and watching today's video.